This is the security lock system anti-theft. The security padlock with smart alarm motion sensor is a utilitarian device suitable for attachment on garden sheds, garages, houses, caravans, gates, vehicles, and more. It ensures reliable protection of your precious entities with its built-in safety system that activates the alarm automatically the moment an intruder tampers with the lock. First, insert the key and rotate it to open the lock. Then put lock rod with a concave groove towards the key port down. If in a minute without triggering, return to the original function. An encroacher might just attempt to break the lock with a wrong key or attempt to directly bang on the lock. In such scenarios, this security padlock will initially ring a warning beep, with little meddling movements followed by the proper alarm ring with heavy banging, breaking force. This lock has such amazing features, and you can easily buy from Amazon. This is the versatile Smine Spray Mop. Smine Wet Mop for floor cleaning is made of higher quality aluminum, sturdy enough for long-term using, easy to grasp band handle, and can be used for a long time without being easily damaged. Ergonomic hand grip control and rod length make floor cleaning easy and simple. No bending, no bucket. All you have to do is press the convenient trigger on the handle to get the cold water mist you need. The board of mop with spray can rotate 360 degrees, makes the floor cleaning mop easy to control and won't harm surfaces. The microfiber spray mop can be used as both dry and wet mop. The magics of microfiber spray mop pad: easy to absorb the smallest dirt and dust, eliminate dust, hair, stubborn stains, water stains effectively. This is the tripod for phone mobile camera. Tripod compact flexible legs can easily wrap around bicycles, poles and branches, weighing only 364 grams and standing at 9.6 inches. This tripod is definitely the most portable and compact tripod. Smartphone tripod possesses rigidness and flexibility, which is not easy to break after repeated bending. The legs are non-slit and support arbitrary deformation. Waterproof and corrosion resistance, you can use this flexible tripod in different environments. Lightweight and compact. This portable iPhone tripod is perfect to put in your pocket or your briefcase and take it everywhere you go, and you will be ready for the perfect picture at any time. This is the wall mount bike hanger. This bike hanger set is designed to fit most of bikes. To hang your bicycle vertically. Less effort to hang up your bike for saving room at garage and in-house, condo, apartment. Wall mount bike hangers. For PC set space-saving solution for you to store your bicycle vertically with tiny little space. Strong solid steel construction. Is able to hang weight up to 66 pounds for ALL kind of bikes, which tires width within 2.17 or less. This is the Paticle book stand for reading. This desktop book stand is made of aluminum alloy and ABS material. Adjustable tension construction provides secure and sturdy support. Our book stand is designed with rounded edges. Features will not hurt your hands and avoid risking any scratches to your device. Please use the hex wrench attach to increase the tension in both joints before installation. 360 rotatable and adjustable -10.3 flexible arm with two joints, making height and angle adjustable. The book holder is 150 adjustable. The bottom joint is 150 bendable and 360 rotatable. Can be easily installed in a hanging down style by having 2 or 3 units. It is possible to make the best use of your narrow desk. This is available on Amazon, and you can easily buy this.